I don't know about you, but I am very happy that this semester is winding to a close here. And for you all, this next week is all about preparing for that final exam, tidying up a few things that we might need to finish up, and just getting ready to wrap this semester up. So let's take a look at what is in Module 14, what I have for you, and what you need to do. So what we'll see here is in Module 14, again, everything you need is in this module to prepare you for that final exam. It needs to be taken between April 28th and May 2nd. So that's the following week, Monday through Friday. It'll be a paper test like the midterm was. It'll be held at MCC's testing center or an approved proctored testing location. You need to make an appointment. And then, as I noted in an announcement, I'm also going to be offering a proctored session myself. That'll take place Thursday evening, May 1st, from 6 to 9. I'll be in there by 5:30, and we'll start the testing at 6 o'clock. And I provide a survey link, and I'll show you that in a minute. And so one of the other things that you'll need to do this week is finish competency test E. So attempt number one is due by Wednesday, I believe, Wednesday the 23rd. And if you need to take attempt two, that's due the 27th. And then attempt three is actually due into next week on the 29th. So make sure you get that done. Here's the survey. I really need to know how many people plan to come take the test in person, just so I know what room I might want to reserve. And I'll let you know that as soon as I can. But if you could complete this survey, it's only one question. It just asks you yes or no, are you going to take it in person? I'm offering the same thing to my other online class as well. So if you can reply to that by Tuesday, April 22nd, that would be fantastic. Again, it'd be nice to just meet before you take the test, and I'll be available from 6 o'clock to 9, right? So starting the testing at 6, to go through 9, you probably won't need that long, but I think it just provides you a little more flexible option that the testing center does not offer. Here is a final exam overview document. Now, this is more just a general overview of everything that we did in the class. It provides a little detail as well about what the test is like. And then I went through chapter by chapter and just reminded you of some of the main topics that we covered in each chapter. I also provided a single example question just because this one's going to be multiple choice. And sometimes multiple choice questions can be a little bit challenging. And so I just wanted to give you a flavor of the sorts of things you might be asked. So from each chapter, there is a list, again, of topics and some of the example questions. And then at the end, I do provide the solutions to those example topics. So let's see, let's go back to our content. And what else is in here? Just like I did for your midterm exam, I am preparing a Connect assignment that is extra credit, that is about the frequently missed homework problems from the second half of the course, chapters 6 through 11. And if you noticed on the overview document, about 2/3 of the exam will come from chapters 6 through 11. That's because you already took a midterm over chapters 1 through 5. And so about a third of the test will come from those chapters. And then about 2/3 will come from the stuff we've done since the midterm. And again, I went through, and every homework question that was missed by, say, more than 25% of the class, I put back into this assignment. Again, it's optional, but you can earn up to 20 bonus points, which is not insignificant. For completing those, you get kind of like with the homework, regular homework, you get to attempt it twice. That is due by May 2nd, again, that same day that the final exam needs to be finished by. I'm going to probably first thing on tomorrow morning. I'm publishing this, so this will actually be available to you on the 21st, April 21st. This video I'm recording the night before, but I'll probably go in first thing in the morning on the 21st and finish adding questions to this after everybody's had a chance to finish chapter 11 before I can add the final questions to this. The last things are just an overview of what you need to bring with you for the exam, especially if you're going to be taking it in the testing center, and then a video about how to take it in the testing center. This was pretty much the same information that was there for the midterm. Again, make sure you bring a calculator, make sure you bring 1 page of handwritten notes. Testing center will definitely require identification. I will provide you with the ancient numeration systems as well as the geometry formulas, and just try to make sure to give yourself enough time to do it. That's it for now. Best of luck, and please let me know if you have any questions throughout the week.